Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix error code E1 on your Samsung AC. But first, what does this error code mean? This error code means that the AC's room thermistor or sensor is faulty. The following are some of the causes of this error. The room temperature sensor is defective, or the room temperature sensor has shorted. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Auto-clean the AC. Find the Options button and long press it for 3 seconds. Use the directional buttons to select the Clean function. Tap the Settings button to confirm the auto-cleaning. Once it's done, follow the same steps to deactivate auto-clean. Turn off the main power unit and wait for 30 minutes to an hour before turning it back on. Switch it back on to see if the error is gone. Contact a technician. Samsung support suggests calling an experienced technician for error code E1. If the room temperature sensor is defective, call the Samsung landline at 028-422-111. The phone number is in the description. You can also use the toll-free global number at 1-800-8726-7864. The phone number is also in the description. A Samsung customer care representative will give you professional advice on what to do about the error. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.